Hi guys.
Hey, so we're here with another Vlogmas, and I have Sienna with me. And instead of Brandon cooks it all, today is gonna be.
Sienna cooks it all.
So what are you cooking today?
Chocolate chip cookies.
All right. Ready to get started? All right. So what are you gonna tell people we have here?
Okay, so here we have our flour, dry ingredient mixture, and our sugar and brown sugar.
Vanilla extract.
And our vanilla extract. Try to say that.
Extract.
Extract. Okay. And our
Butter.
That's melted.
Eggs.
And then our eggs and our chocolate chips.
All right. All right. So the first thing you're gonna do is put the butter in here. You need a full cup, so you can put both of them in there.
Of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. That's the way the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. Fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together. Fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. Fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. La 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 la.
So
Yep, get a little good now. Get some elbow grease in there. Yeah, that's right. Get the elbow up there. You gotta turn it. Get all that flour and everything mixed up in there. That's right.
now it's time to add the chocolate chips. How do you- Now I'm gonna stir it all up.
It's gonna be more of a fold. Take some over. deep in there.
Trying to put them.
Rub your pants.
Alright, now we're going to be putting the cookies on the pan.
So close.
Okay, now I'm going to put the cookies in the oven.
Alright, they're gonna be in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna come check on them and take them out.
We are now taking out the cookies. I just, where do I set it?
On right there. Yeah, right there. Oh, right there.
Well, that was easy.
Close it. And we're back, and the cookies are done. So, what time is it? It is time for me to taste the cookies.
Yeah.
Her sister always tests my stuff, so since she cooked them, I'm gonna
Test
test the cookies out. So, let me see which one I want. That one was good. Trying to get me, didn't you? Huh?
Is it
Soft
busted?
and moist. Really good, not bad. What do young kids say? It's bussin'? Yeah, that's bussin'. Alright guys, well, there you have it. Thanks for watching another Vlogmas with Sienna cooking her chocolate chip cookies. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, see you next time.